In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the new ransomware called Nnuz. Nnuz is the ransomware belonging to the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware is called Nnuz because it encrypts the files. And after the files are encrypted, this Nnuz extension is added to them. So you try to open the specific file, then you get a message saying that you cannot do that. Well, of course, before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. We have to admit that, regretfully, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this Nnuz ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then, most likely, after people restart their computers, they suddenly notice that something bad has happened with their data. They cannot use the files anymore. The ransomware, as I said, encrypts and modifies the files, so it is not possible to open such files anymore. The files are encrypted and the special Nnuz extension is added. I will demonstrate to you what happens. So we had some files on our desktop. Now when we try to open the file, this is what we see. Windows cannot open this type of file with the Nnuz extension. Some might think that simply removing the extension manually would fix the issue, but this does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted and damaged. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long and random names in the background, right-click on them and end their task. This will help you to stop the further file encryption, and this is the way to save at least some of your files. The ransomware Nnuz, as I said, is from the DJVU ransomware family. It tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration. The ransom amount is $980, but there is no guarantee that your files would be restored if you pay the ransom. In the light of this information, we recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately. We suggest that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may download the latest version of Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start researching and investigating your computer with its help. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. In your case, the program most likely would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial and essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. So don't cancel the update process. Combo Cleaner is provided with the excellent feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But remember that this feature is the part of the premium license only. The scanning duration may depend on various factors, for instance, on how many hard drives are connected to your computer. And then at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to remove all of them altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always safe, protected, and secure.